Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of dry skin. If you're experiencing flakiness, tightness, or just that overall feeling of uncomfortable dryness, you've come to the right place. We're going to explore a natural skincare routine that can help you reclaim your skin's healthy glow. This routine is all about nourishing your skin with gentle, effective ingredients that work with your body's natural processes to restore moisture and hydration. The first step to restoring dry skin is gentle cleansing. You want to remove dirt and makeup without stripping away your skin's natural oils, which are essential for hydration. Harsh cleansers can worsen dryness, so opt for gentle formulas. Look for cleansers with natural ingredients like oat milk, known for its soothing properties, or honey, which is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture. Remember, cleansing should be a gentle process that leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed, not tight or dry. After cleansing, it's time to replenish moisture with a hydrating serum. Serums are lightweight and packed with concentrated ingredients that penetrate deep into the skin. Look for serums containing hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. Aloe vera is another excellent natural ingredient for hydration. It soothes and calms irritated skin while providing intense moisture. Apply your serum after cleansing and before your moisturizer to maximize its hydrating benefits. To lock in all that moisture we've just added, you need a rich moisturizer. Dry skin needs a thicker formula to create a protective barrier and prevent moisture loss. Opt for a moisturizer with natural ingredients like shea butter, known for its deep moisturizing and healing properties. Coconut oil is another fantastic option, rich in fatty acids that nourish and soften the skin. Apply your moisturizer generously to your entire face and neck, focusing on areas that tend to be drier. This final step will help your skin stay hydrated and supple throughout the day. Now, let's talk about exfoliation. Removing dead skin cells is crucial for dry skin. It allows your moisturizers and serums to penetrate better and helps prevent clogged pores. For dry skin, gentle exfoliation is key. Avoid harsh scrubs and opt for natural options like sugar or ground oats. Mix a small amount with a bit of water to create a paste and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, but always be gentle and listen to your skin. If you notice any irritation, reduce the frequency. Remember, healthy skin starts from within. While topical treatments are important, hydration from the inside out is equally crucial. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin cells plump and hydrated. Nourishing your body with hydrating foods like fruits, vegetables, and soups can also help. These foods contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy skin function. By taking care of your overall health, you're supporting your skin's ability to thrive.